Hi students, I myself Divakar Pandey from Kuntinagar Modern English School Navada and welcome to you for your e-learning class subject SST. Now today I am going to discuss you the subject SST, it means civics, and this subject belongs to class 6. Today I am going to discuss the topic diversity and discrimination. Please carefully listen to me. In my previous video lecture, we have already discussed about diversity. In my previous video, I have discussed or we have discussed what is diversity and how there is unity always found in diversity. But not only unity or inequality, but there are something else is always found in diversity of our country, and this is the discrimination. So now in this chapter today we have to discuss about diversity first of all and about discrimination, and I will also discuss about prejudice. So now we come to the topic diversity. As I have told you that diversity means to be different on the basis of race, caste, religion and any other things. In such type of country like India, there are so many languages, so many cultures, so many civilizations and so many people live, but all are equal. Can we say? No, they are not equal. If we talk about them, we find there is diversity among them. In diversity, we have already studied that how people live in a union, it means unitely, in spite of this diversity, but there is something that always divide people in their different categories, and this situation is called discrimination. It means discrimination occurs always in diversity when we see other person inferior than us, inferior to us. And like this we can say, if we make any negative point against other thing, other people, then discrimination starts from these points or this situation. So discrimination, what is discrimination or prejudice? Prejudice, before discussing about prejudice, we have to discuss about discrimination. It means when we do any such type of behavior that always are negatively and against such type of activities, like people whatever want to do or we take their works negative. If we always try to do such type of thing that always harass other activities, other works, other mottos, then we can say our this activity is called discrimination. It means when we do our behave with other people negatively on the basis of race, caste, other religions, then This type of behavior is called discrimination. Do you know how can we say there is diversity in our India? Yes, there are so many different languages that people speak in our country. How many languages people speak in our country? How can we say? Yes, there are 1600. It means we can say that there are 1600 languages in our country are spoken. How many languages? 1600 languages. So there are 1600 languages are spoken in our country, and different types of dance cultures, different types of civilizations, different types of dress coding that they always used, and different kinds of festivals that we celebrate like Christmas, Holi, Dasara, Deepavali. So these are the situation that tell us about the diversity of our country. And when we discuss about any negatively misbehave against people, religion, people caste, other people's situation and their status, then it will be called discrimination. And in discrimination we study about prejudice. Prejudice is that when we think any negative, it means when we keep negatively any opinion against other people's behavior, activities, then this type of thinking is called prejudice. It means we can say that prejudice is that kind of situation, it means which judge other people negatively or see other people's inferior to us. It means when we see other people negatively as inferior, then this type of situation is called prejudice. For example, we can say if we follow in our mind that any boy like Rahul, that is your classmate, there is a boy whose name is Rahul, suppose that in your class, if we make up our mind against him that he is very lazy, he is very weak, he belongs to a poor family because he is a lower caste, so he is not equal among us, then it is only our prejudice according to our mind that we have made up in our mind against Rahul. So this type of activity will be called prejudice. Okay, thank you. In my next video I will discuss you about the next point. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.